Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a really pretty French ombre. And these are the products I'm going to be using. So I'm applying a white acrylic to the middle part of the nail and I'll drag it towards the free edge. So I'm picking up a smaller bead of white acrylic powder just to fill out the edge. So I'm just patting the white acrylic into place, just flatten it down. So here I'm just filling in a little bit that I'd missed out. Now I've got quite a large bead of Warm Beige and I'm just placing that on the nail bed and I'm dragging it down towards the white. And now I've gone in with a smaller bead for the cuticle area and try not to get that product on the skin. So I'm using barely there over this part of the nail so I don't mess up my perfect blend. Now I'm just waiting for the acrylic to set. So I'm touching the nail here to see whether it's going warm, and if it's going warm then I can tell that the nail's setting. And I'm going to file it into shape starting with the free edge and then the side walls and the cuticle area. Now I'm going in with a buffing block. I'm putting some acetone on a lint-free wipe and I'm going to wipe over the nail just to get rid of any little scratches or imperfections. I'm going to go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat. And then I'm going to pop it under the lamp for a minute. And using the pink pineapple cuticle oil, I'm going to cover that cuticle, rehydrate that nail. So this is a really cute, simple ombre that can be done really quickly and at salon speed. So you can do this with loads of different colours, just make sure you use the free edge colour first. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, all the products are listed below. See you next time, bye!